Welcome back to Battle of the Botanicals. In this series, I'm testing a bunch of different botanical gels to see which one I like the best. I've already done 4 rounds so far, and I'm taking the winner of each round to now face off each other. In round 1, B-Girl by the Doux and Earth Tones Naturals faced off and B-Girl won. And then in round 2, Camille Rose and Kinky Curly faced off and Kinky Curly won. So today, these two are facing off. Alright guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Brittany, welcome. You can look at the playlist on my channel to start at the very beginning if this is the first video you're coming across. But after this round, we got one more round and then it will be the championship round. So be sure to subscribe because if you're looking for new botanical gels, I've basically given a review of each one that I've tried so far. You don't want to miss out which one I choose as the winner. So be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss anything. Alright guys, you know the drill. Step 1 is always re-wetting our hair. I think I pretty much have a middle part more or less. So I'll be putting each product on each side of my hair so that we can do a comparison. I'm going to pin up this side. Now it's so important to start off with hair that's soaking wet. Definitely want to make sure you have that squish sound. I can't even believe how close we are getting to the end of this series. I've put my blood, sweat, and tears into this. Oh my goodness. Okay, we already know all that there needs to be known about B-Girl. Very runny texture. I'm applying this to the whole section. So I'm gonna brush through the whole section and then go through and brush style smaller sections. This is just to make sure I distribute it all over. Alrighty. Knock off Denman and I just go ahead and brush style. You really should be sectioning your hair better than this, but I'm kind of lazy. So I'm just gonna throw that to the back. But I am this time around trying to get as close to the root as possible just to maximize the curls. Because I found that some of my wash days in this series, the curls were kind of really clumpy at the root and then the ends were very voluminous. But I think by going as close to the root as possible, that's gonna also add more volume. So I just like to twirl and keeping my sections relatively small. Again, trying to go as close to the root as possible. That section was big. Okay, this B-Girl side is done. We got some nice clumpy curls. All right, so this is B-Girl. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start Kinky Curly on this side. Kinky Curly is definitely more of like a like thicker gel, I should say. And I'm just gonna put that all over the large section. This smells so much like coconut to me. Okay, this curl, please. I definitely feel like because in the initial rounds I was so descriptive with what the gels looked like, smelled like, because it was my first impression with them. I had so much more to say because I already did my deep dive and review, so we're really just gonna be straight to the point in these next videos and get to that winner. All right, and time to brush style, same exact thing. Going as close to the root as possible and then doing a little twirl and throwing it back. These are the two sides. Look exactly the same, so you guys know. I just gotta diffuse and then I'll just chuck back in super quickly. All right, I just diffused. This is about 80% dry. I usually like to do 90%, but I gotta go. Again, both looking good. This side is looking a bit clumpier, the B-Girl side. I'll be back in 4 days to do a final look and pick the winner of this round. So I'll see you guys soon. Hello, it is the next day. We are going to just separate these curls really quickly. I'm oiling up my hands. Guys, what is in B-Girl? B-Girl is so clumpy and beautiful. It's like definition and volume. Kinky Curly side also looks really good. A bit more definition. A little less clumpy. Well, there's still clumpy pieces at the bottom, but whoa, this is gonna be a good one. So I like to just slowly I do think though the humidity this week, it's supposed to be raining the next few days and I'm about to head out. So I need to look for a hoodie and try to protect my hair, but I do have a feeling humidity will be impacting our curly hair routine this week, but that's okay. Wow, I love B-girl guys. But again, day 4 will definitely be the real test because I really also like the kinky curly side too. So I'm just naturally following along. I think separating my curls is one of my favorite parts of my curly hair routine. Oh, it's so satisfying, especially when they're so juicy like this. I can also tell I'm in need of a trim because my ends have been breaking off and it has been 3 months since my last trim. It's so crazy. As soon as I start noticing that my hair or my curls, they're not curling the same, you know, something feels a bit off, I think about it and I'm like, oh, when's the last time I had a trim? Without fail, every single time, that is the reason. I'm like, oh yeah, it's been about 3 months, time to get a trim. And that will usually fix the problem. Okay, some of these I'm going to leave just because I feel like I'm gonna cause a little bit too much frizz if I force those ones apart. I like the fluffiness on the side. I feel like this is good. All right, now these gels are so good. Let me give you guys a close up. So we have Kinky Curly, and this is the Doux B-Girl. Fire. Yeah, I'll see you guys in 4 days to do our final comparison, and then I'll pick the winner of the semi-final round. All right, see you guys soon. These are day 5 curls. No guys, these gels really showed out. I'm loving what I'm seeing. I do know which side I'm gonna pick. I've been inspecting. I do wanna say also yesterday I got rained on. So to be honest, the curls would have looked even better, but I think there's even a bit more frizz because of that rain. But yesterday also when I was with my friends, I was kind of taking a look beforehand, just trying to decide and see what side looked better, and I already knew what side, and I asked my friends without telling them which side was which one they picked, and we all picked the same side, and that's gonna be Kinky Curly. This side, there is just, I feel like on the B-Girl side, there are a bit more waves and a little bit more frizz, whereas on the Kinky Curly side, I will say there's more curls, more ringlets. It's also like, again, both are so great, and the fact that the sides, they both look like this on day 5 is impressive. Kinky Curly is just a bit better than B-Girl because, again, I like how it looks more, and I do prefer the texture and smell of Kinky Curly, if I'm being honest. Kinky Curly is moving on to the finals. We are so soon from getting our crowned winner. I've been pleasantly surprised by Kinky Curly. I was not expecting it. I mean, I've heard it was good, but she's good. She's good, guys. So that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video because we have another semi-final round, and that round is going to be the Doux 808 versus Intersense I Create Hold. So one last semi-final battle. And then the winner of this will be facing Kinky Curly in the finals. So you don't want to miss out on that. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you like this video. That way you won't be missing any of the battles to come because you definitely don't want to miss that championship battle. So I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.